Hey guys, so we have a quick unboxing and a review of the GooDee Mini Projector. Now you can get this on Amazon for 130 bucks, and it has pretty good reviews for it. Alright, so pretty nice box. Now, the company did send this from Amazon, all for free, but I was not paid to make the video. So in the box we got, looks like the cables, the projector. Now this is compatible with a ton of devices by USB, by HDMI. So your PS4, for example, you can hook up to it. So we got the power. Haven't actually seen this in a while. The remote control. And another power adapter. Okay, so this is pretty nice. We got a case for it. And the projector itself. Okay, so this is meant for indoors, and I'll show you a demo in 2 seconds. Alright, so now for the review. So here's another look at the bag, which fits everything inside. And also the remote. The remote is not required since the projector itself has buttons on it. The setup process only took a couple minutes. I registered my email address, and after that, all that was left was just plugging in the power cord and the HDMI cable. Jackie helped with adjusting the lens, which focused properly in about 10 seconds. Now for the most important thing, image quality. We connected the HDMI to Nintendo Switch, and it worked just as easily as plugging into a TV. We had limited space to project, but the image got pretty massive. So for comparison, this is a 32-inch TV in the same spot. The image is very bright for a projector, and GooDee claims it gets 40% brighter than other projectors. I was pleasantly surprised that it works even with the lights on. With the lights off, of course, the image is a lot better. The projector can connect to HDMI, USB, AV, VGA, headphones, and more. It also can connect to your smartphone, however that requires buying a separate adapter. The projector also does produce sound. I'll do a better sound test in a few minutes. One minor thing to note is it does make some noise. But as you guys can tell, it's not that loud, and it won't be noticeable with the audio playing. The image quality is excellent and the output's in HD. Here's one more sound test. So of course, don't go expecting it to replace quality speakers, but it is good enough and similar to the speakers on most TVs. Overall, this is a good projector, and both Jackie and I would recommend it as long as you have the proper space to use it. We also have some Amazon coupon codes for 20 to 30% off, which I'll put in the description. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.